Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a private page on SharePoint Online. First, open your browser and go to the SharePoint site where you want to create the private page. Once the site loads, look for the plus new button in the top navigation bar. Click it, then select Page from the dropdown. A template selection panel appears on the right side. Choose blank, then click Create Page at the bottom. The page editor opens. Click in the Add a Title field at the top and type your page title. You can add content below if you want, but we'll keep this simple. Once you've added the title, click Save as Draft in the top right corner. This saves the page but doesn't publish it yet. Now click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of the page, then select Site Contents from the menu. The Site Contents page opens. Scroll through the list and click Site Pages to open the Pages library. Find your page in the list. It should be near the top since you just created it. Right-click on your page's name or click the three dots next to it, then select Manage Access. The Manage Access panel opens on the right side. Look for the advanced link, it's usually at the bottom, and click it. The Permissions page loads. In the toolbar, click Stop Inheriting Permissions. A warning pops up, go ahead and confirm it. Now you'll see a list of groups and users. Select the checkboxes next to any groups you want to remove, like site members or site visitors. Then click Remove User Permissions and confirm. Don't remove site owners, or you'll lock yourself out. Next, click Grant Permissions in the toolbar. Type the email addresses or names of the specific people you want to give access to. Set the permission level to read or edit, depending on what they need. Then click Share. Finally, navigate back to your page. You can close the permissions window and find it in the Pages library, or just go back in your browser. Once you're on the page, click Publish in the top right corner. The page is now live, but only the people you granted access to can see it. Two things to note. If you need to test this worked, try accessing the page as someone who shouldn't have access. They should see an access denied error. And if you ever want to undo the restricted permissions, just go back to the Advanced Permissions page and click Delete Unique Permissions to re-inherit from the site. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.